Hello Toyota Celsior fans, or Lexus LS430 fans as I know it. So you'll notice this toy has no tires, but that's why I got it really cheap, because it had no tires. But I like to swap my wheels out anyways, so it actually works out very well for me. So I just thought I'd just look at some custom, versions of this, and they all look cool. I mean, any full-size car that's lowered and has aftermarket wheels I think looks cool. Alright, well, let's just pretend the thing has tires. Standard 5-spoke Choro-Q wheels here. Nicely molded tight panel gaps because it's just this clear plastic body, so the windows, the tail lights, and the headlights are all clear, and then everything else is painted on. So this has the Toyota badge, it's all gold. No hidden windscreen wipers, I guess. There's a sinkhole here because the peg is underneath. No sunroof. It's definitely scratched up and been played with here. Yeah, okay, it says special model. I don't know what that really means. This is 2 exhaust tips, part of the base. I went and labeled this thing because I won't remember what it is. No date though of manufacture. And this is interesting how it has ribs here. Interesting. Well, let's take it apart, see if there's like a production dial. Gotta take it apart anyways to swap with the wheels. I think I might actually be able to get this apart without cutting it. There you go. Alright, there it is. I'm going to take out this motor and swap it out for one without the axle. But usually, yeah, right here it says 02. July of 02 this thing was made. So I got a motor where I clipped off the wheels. So let's just pop that back together. Get that tab in. And screwdriver. Okay. So today I'm going to use some green light wheels. I got a multi-pack of green lights, and this gold matches pretty well with the, grill here, so why not? And it looks like it has like disc brakes in there, so that's kind of neat. It's just all one piece though, a one-piece wheel with good printing on it. Now I could actually let's try to sink it further like these JDM photos. Oh yeah, look at that. That's nice. That's the beauty of the poster putty. You know what I should do is clip off this. No, actually that's not even sticking out much. So if this is sticking out too much, I think it'd be a smart idea to clip it off. But in this case it's actually not bad. So I just gotta tuck that tire under the fender there. But see, the tire doesn't want to stay on the wheel very well. So hold on, I gotta adjust this. Maybe put the putty in first. Flatten it a little bit. I don't glue these on, it's just, just put over the rib. There's a rib in that wheel. This is the stock tire, so that doesn't have as much of an issue. Let's just sink the whole thing, make that thing scrape the ground. Yeah, I did a good job on that one, but for some reason the other side, not so great. But the poster putty never hardens, so you can eventually get it the way you want it. I think that's going to have to do for now. That looks cool, I think. Funny and cool. Goofy and cool. If that can be said in the same sentence, I don't know. Alright, I actually have this casting I've reviewed before, and I printed out the actual Lexus wheels on it. Not the greatest job, but better than the standard 5 spokes. I have the same casting, but as a taxi. It's interesting. This would be a taxi, but must be a nice ride. That does have the standard ChoroQ wheels. Here's a ChoroQ Zero of a Crown Athlete. So you can see the nice printed on headlights, and the wheels are nicely molded. And the last one is also another Lexus, but really it's a Toyota Soarer. But I know it's a Lexus SC. Alright, so those goes for a spin. I really like I'm trying to get that thing even lower. Yeah, look how the roof is so low compared to the taxi, right? Very cool. So it's really sinister looking, but in a cool way. So we got a little Bandai Kylo Ren here. He would be driving this vehicle, spreading evil across this galaxy. So thank you for watching today, and we'll see you in the next ChoroQ wheel swap.